Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here, and if you are not new, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be giving you a little tour of my treatment room. So for a little background story, I was sharing a treatment room with a friend that I used to go to aesthetic school with, but in the beginning of quarantine, I found out that I needed to get my own treatment room. The treatment room that I shared with my friend was a home-based treatment room, and so even though this was very last minute, everything fell into place and I am totally in love with this new space. I feel like it just embodies glow. Like everything in here is glow. I hope you enjoy this tour and hopefully it gives you some inspiration. So without further ado, let's get into the tour. So before, I was going to have my treatment studio in a different area, but then I finally realized one day that it would be so much better in this new space. So here is the before. This space would have also worked, but it's just perfect how it is now. Okay, we're gonna start with what you see when you first walk in. I have this basket. It is a lot smaller than what I expected it was going to be, but it actually works out fine for the space, and this is what I'll be using for my towels. This basket is part of a three-piece set, so as we turn left, you will see the two other little baskets, and I just have that there as decoration. You'll also see this mirror. I'm not sure where it's from. My husband actually let me have this. He had this mirror before we moved in together and gave it to me for my beauty room. And now on to this shelf that I'm so in love with. On the first shelf, I just have some glow lash products that I retail, as well as my business cards and my aesthetics pin. And then I have this little sign that I got from Marshall's. Did anybody else get an esthetician pin? Our school gave us these esthetician pins at the end of our graduation. I kind of feel like they only gave us these pins because we also graduated with medical students. And here are my business cards. My business card holder is from Amazon. It's just a 3-pack of clear business card holders. I do retail lash cleanser and lash cleansing brushes to my lash clients, so I just have these on display and I feel like they look so cute. I will be changing my packaging soon. And now on the second shelf we have skincare products, and on this shelf specifically I have Image Skincare, some SD Max products, as well as products from Panda Naturals. You should definitely check out Panda Naturals for her products. Look at these soaps. These soaps are so pretty. I had to display them. She offers a bunch of skincare products and body care on her website, and I believe these soaps came in a little set, so it's great for gifting to friends. On this next shelf, I have all Glymed Plus products. I actually have it on the shelf after that too, because I use mostly Glymed in my treatment studio. And right underneath of this shelf, I have some storage boxes, and this is just to hold extra lash supplies and anything else that I might need. I love these cute Kate Spade decorative boxes that you can get from like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. It's a cute way to store away stuff. And now going around the room, you'll see I have my license displayed as well as my container that holds my disinfectant. These treasure boxes were actually a gift from my husband, and these just store any extra stuff that I have, so like books from school and stuff for my clients. Again, another cute way to store stuff without messing up the vibe of the room. Another favorite part of my room are my glow letters. I actually made these myself. If you watched my last video, I talked about it, and yeah, these light up and I just love them. I'm actually going to show y'all at the end of this video how they look in the evening. So this little cute rosé bottle is from Amazon. I'm thinking about filling it up with some disinfectant. I'm not sure yet. And here I have an acrylic organizer that holds SD wipes, two kinds of SD wipes, gauze, lash spoolies, and lip wands. You do want to make sure that you wash this container out before you use it because it has a really bad smell to it. Also on this table is my towel warmer. It actually looks pretty small. It's smaller than what I thought, but it's really not. It houses plenty of towels. And in this corner, I have my facial steamer and mag lamp. Kind of wish I would have got like a standalone mag lamp, but this works. And I also keep in that corner some distilled water. I don't mind having it out right there because I can always see how much water I have. Onto the drawers. In the top drawer, I have just some palettes for the skincare. I have container for clean tools. I also have lash supplies, so like these lip masks for if you have a chatty patty. I have this container that has a bunch of lash supplies in there that's usually on my lash cart, but I just have it in here for now. I have all my skincare products that I use on clients, mask brushes, lash cleanser, and I also have my microdermabrasion filters, just everything that has to do with like facial products and facial supplies. I also have my client consultation forms or consent forms, but I've recently switched over to electronic consultation forms. So in this drawer, I have extra linens, and actually it's missing the towels. The towels were being washed at this time, but usually towels will be in there. And I also have this bag from Target, and that's if somebody decides to pay cash, and I can put it in there. In this last drawer, I have any equipment for facials or lashes or waxing. So I have my microdermabrasion, the tips, and then I have my hair frequency. I also have a bag of wax that I want to try out. It's a black owned brand, so get on that. I also like to keep any extra supplies that I have in here, so whatever didn't fit in the container on top of the table is in here, tucked away nicely. Some sponges for facials, extra gauze. I have popsicle sticks and extra SD wipes. And over here I have my lash cart that also doubles as an SMA. That tabletop you can get from Michael's, which I just recently found out about. And it's perfect because you're not losing storage space by turning the top part of the cart over. And for my treatment table, I have a massage bed from Amazon. All the linens, the blankets are from Amazon as well. This massage table is just a basic massage table, and I have made it comfy by getting like a bolster for my clients' legs as well as a ergonomic friendly pillow. This table is so much comfier than it was in the beginning when I had it as just a lash bed. As you can see here, the pillow is memory foam as well as the bolster for the legs. So these curtains are from Amazon, and that is not a curtain rod that the curtains are on. That is actually my back. It's my backdrop stand that I had from when I first started filming YouTube videos, and it just worked out perfectly. And now here's just a quick spin round of the room. I'm so in love with this space. I'm so happy. I can't wait to have my clients in here just so that they can feel this new vibe. This change was so unexpected, but it has worked out perfectly for me, and I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you would like, and also make sure you are subscribed so you are alerted the next time that I upload a new video.